Do you know what superfoods you should be eating after 40? The 40s are a pivotal time for health, a period where our dietary choices can significantly influence our well-being. Adding superfoods into our meals can make a world of difference, boosting our vitality and fortifying our bodies against age-related issues. These nutrient-dense powerhouses help maintain a robust immune system, support heart health, and keep our brains sharp. So, let's embark on this tasty journey to wellness. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 7 superfoods you should be including in your diet after 40. First on our list are berries. These delightful gems are packed with antioxidants which help to fight harmful free radicals in the body. They're also known to support heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease by maintaining good cholesterol levels. Plus, berries are a boon for brain health. Studies suggest that they can delay brain aging and enhance memory, making them a smart choice indeed. So, go ahead and add a handful of these vibrant fruits to your diet. Next up, we have leafy greens. These nutrient-dense powerhouses are packed with vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. They are particularly beneficial for your eyes thanks to lutein and zeaxanthin, compounds that help fend off age-related vision issues. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard also contain fiber and antioxidants, which can play a significant role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Remember, the darker the greens, the better. Third on our list are nuts. These tiny powerhouses are packed with protein, making them a perfect snack for sustained energy. But that's not all. Nuts are also champions of heart health, with studies showing they can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about our brains. The healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants in nuts contribute to maintaining cognitive health and keeping our minds sharp. So, don't forget to snack on a handful of nuts daily. Rounding out our list, we have whole grains, oily fish, yogurt, and yes, even dark chocolate. Starting with whole grains, these aren't just your average carbs. They're packed with fiber, which can help maintain a healthy gut and keep you feeling full longer. Plus, they're linked to a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Think beyond bread and pasta, and explore options like quinoa, barley, and oats. Next up, oily fish. These swimmers are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients that our bodies can't produce on their own. They're known for their heart-healthy benefits, but they also play a key role in brain health, reducing inflammation, and even improving sleep. Thirdly, we've got yogurt. This creamy favorite is full of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that can improve digestion and boost your immune system. Just watch out for brands with added sugars, and instead, opt for plain and add your own fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey. Last but not least, dark chocolate. And no, this isn't just an excuse to eat candy. Dark chocolate is full of antioxidants, specifically flavonoids, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Aim for chocolate that's at least 70% cocoa to reap the most benefits. Each of these superfoods brings something unique to the table, so try to incorporate them all into your diet. Let's recap what we've learned about the superfoods to eat after 40. Berries are packed with antioxidants, leafy greens are a great source of vitamins, nuts provide healthy fats, whole grains are rich in fiber, oily fish offer omega-3 fatty acids, yogurt is beneficial for gut health, and dark chocolate is good for the heart. Each of these superfoods brings unique health advantages. Remember, it's never too late to make healthier food choices. Start incorporating these superfoods into your diet today.